Hi everyone, and welcome to Uncode Me, India's #1 IT training company. In today's video, I will guide you how to download and install MySQL on Windows operating system. So let's start the process. Firstly, we have to visit Google and we have to type in MySQL, and we have to use the second result, MySQL download. Will be redirected to the MySQL website, and we have to click here. In the downloads section, we have to move down. We have to search for MySQL community GPL download. Just click at this link, and in this page we'll get MySQL installer for Windows. We have to click at this link again. Here you will find two installers, MySQL for Windows MSI installer 32-bit, again MySQL installer for Windows 32-bit. We have to download the lower one, the second one, this one. So just click at the downloads button, and you can skip login or sign up. It will take a lot of time, so you can directly click at this link. Just click at this link and you will be directed to another page. So basically it's asking you to store this setup file or installer file in your local machine. So click on save button, and depending on your internet speed, it can take some time. Now our downloading is in progress, and we have to wait until it's done. Now our downloading has done, and we have to again search for the installer file in downloads folder. So this is our installer file, and we have to double click to initiate the installation process. Click on yes, again click on yes. Now you can see there are many options, like what do you want to install? Server only, means you want to install server only, client only, or you want to install the full package, or you want to customize it. So I will choose full because I want to install every component of MySQL. Now after choosing this, we have to click on the next button, and you can see MySQL is going to install these components like MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, MySQL Shell, MySQL Router, MySQL Documentation, and some samples and examples also. Now we have to click on the execute button. This process may take a little bit time, again depending on your machine's configurations. As you can see, all the components have been executed. So we have to click on the next button, again next, and we have to go with the default settings. There is no need to change anything, so just click on the next button. Here also I'm not going to change anything. I'll be going with the default settings, so I'll be clicking on next. In this window, we have to provide a password as the credentials. So you have to provide you have to provide a strong password basically. So I'm giving my password, and I have to retype to confirm it. So it is telling me it's a weak password, but we can still go with it. Just click on the next button. But one thing, you have to make sure that you should write this password somewhere, so that if you forget it, you can retrieve it basically. So click on the next button. No need to change anything here. Means we'll be going with the default settings. Click on the next button, again click on the next button. Now we have to execute it will take a little time here. Now we have to click on the finish button, again next, and we have to provide our password. No, it's not active, so just click on the finish button, click on next button. Here we have to provide our password to test the connection, so you have to type in the same password, and you have to click on the check button. Since it has verified my password and it is giving me a green signal to get ahead, so I'll be clicking on the next button again. Now I have to click on execute button. Again it will take a little time here to check all the configurations, and we have to click on the finish button now, next, and finally we have to click on the finish button. And as you can see, MySQL shell as well as MySQL workbench is activated now, and this verifies, or this tells us that our MySQL installation is done successfully. Thank you very much.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number.